Can you see your new home here? We sure can. This is US Route 2. If you're looking for more than just an acre or two out in the country, this is your bigger version. Already has the driveway, the turnaround. It's been soil tested. This is your street scene. What you're looking at across the street. Pretty, isn't it? What would you build on one of these lots? There's 5 to pick from. Here's the video for all 5, an overview. We know the local log homemakers, electricians, plumbers. You could buy a modular over in Canada. The dollar's worth more than the loonie. 5 of them to pick from. If you can't find a house that trips your trigger or is your cup of tea, build it. If you're looking for more than just an acre or two out in the country, this is your bigger version. Already has the driveway, the turnaround. It's been soil tested. This is lot number 4. 15.25 acres. What you're looking at across the road. Build a house in Maine. Have a new home to call your own and enjoy. See that big rock? I'd use that, keep that right on my front lawn. Put a number on it so people know there it's your new location in New Limerick, Maine, or Aroostook County. This is lot number 5. It's easy to miss the driveway because you're in the woods. You're planning to build a house up in Maine, either right off the bat or a couple years down the road. 7.43 acres. That's your subdivision where you're going to build a house. Take your pick on which lot. We'll help you figure out the well and septic, other loose ends in house building.